Hey everyone, I'm Muskan and welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I'm sharing with you how you can make coffee facial oil easily at home. This facial oil is made up of 100% natural ingredients and is specially made to lighten and brighten skin complexion and remove all your dark spots, acne scars, pigmentation, suntan and uneven skin complexion and make your skin more fair, glowing, radiant, spotless and crystal clear. So now let's see what are the ingredients to need to prepare this homemade coffee facial oil. So to make this facial oil, firstly you are going to need coffee powder, after that you are going to need half lemon, then you are going to need glycerin, after that you are going to need vitamin E capsule, after that you are going to need honey, after that you are going to need rose water, and the last ingredient which we need is sweet almond oil. So now let's prepare this homemade facial oil, and to prepare it, firstly you have to take a half teaspoon coffee powder in a clean bowl. After that you have to add 1 to 2 teaspoon rose water in it. And now after adding rose water, just give a good mix to both of these ingredients to make a smooth and lump-free paste. And now after mix both these ingredients, now we have to add 2 tablespoons glycerin in it. And after the glycerin, you have to add 3 to 4 vitamin E capsule in it. After the vitamin E capsule, you have to add half a teaspoon sweet almond oil in it. And after adding the sweet almond oil, now you have to mix all the ingredients really nicely to make a smooth paste. And now after mixing everything really nicely, you just have to squeeze half lemon in it. And after squeezing the half lemon, now it's time to add the last ingredient, which is the honey. And you just have to add 1 teaspoon honey in it. And after adding the honey, you just have to mix everything really nicely to make a smooth, creamy and lump-free paste. And once all the ingredients are nicely mixed, your homemade coffee facial oil is ready and it will look like this. And now let me tell you how to store this homemade facial oil, and you can use any airtight container to store this, and I am using this small airtight container to store this homemade facial oil. And you can store this facial oil at room temperature for up to 1 month. And the procedure to use this facial oil is also very easy. You just need to take 1 to 2 drops of this facial oil and then apply it all over your face and neck, and you can even use this all over your body. Just massage it gently all over your skin so that your skin deeply absorbs this oil and gives a radiant glow to your skin. This homemade facial oil is best for lightening or brightening, as it contains all the ingredients like coffee, glycerin, vitamin E capsule and honey make your skin even toned, brighter and lighter, and also remove suntan from your skin and makes your skin fair, glowing, radiant. And it also contains sweet almond oil and honey, which also help to fade away all your dark spots, acne scars, pigmentation, and make your skin clear, spotless and much brighter than before. And for the best result, you just have to use this facial oil twice in a day, once in the morning and other before going to bed daily, to get the best result of this home remedy. So that's it for this video, and if you like this video, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel, and I will see you next time. Bye bye, take care.